Have you ever wondered how hedgehogs survive the bitter bite of winter blizzards? These tiny creatures have unique strategies to navigate their snow-draped homes. As temperatures drop, hedgehogs enter a state of hibernation, their heartbeat slowing to a gentle whisper. In this vulnerable state, they rely on blazes of fatty reserves stored during autumn's bounty. Their nests, burrowed beneath dense foliage, offer protection against the harshest chills. With nature's ingenuity, each fallen leaf becomes a shield, insulating their fragile bodies. So, next time you glimpse a wintry wonderland, imagine a hedgehog snugly hidden, defying the frosty world above.